Aloha and welcome to this model on this module on data design or data modeling. That's the general way most people talk about this. But I do want to emphasize that this is a design module, and we're going to the essential outcome from this is that you should be comfortable with both. Thinking of how to design the information architecture for application domains using entities and relationships, and using a specific tool called the Lucidcharts plugin to Google Docs, which is a pretty nice tool that's free and is very easy to generate PNGs that you can embed into pages. And I want to note that entity relationship modeling is kind of an old school way of dealing with information architecture. There's a lot of problematic aspects to this to entities and relationships. Nevertheless, it's a very important thing to have in your toolkit. Even if NoSQL is the latest and greatest thing and everybody's talking about that, it's still very good to be able to do basic entity relationship data modeling, at least as a first pass for prototyping applications. So we got a few different screencasts that talk about how this all works, a few different web pages, and a chapter of a databases course that talks about entity relationship modeling in a little more detail. And then we've got a few different practice WODs where you're given a domain model and you have to generate the entity relationship diagram using Lucidcharts associated with it. So hopefully you've had some kind of database modeling course before. If not, that's okay. Read through this stuff. I don't expect you to be an expert at entity relationship modeling by the end of this module. I just expect you to be able to do a reasonably good job that can get you to the place of actually doing the implementation using Postgres, which is what we'll be using in the next module on data implementation. So have fun with this, and I'll see you soon.